Hey Badgers, I'm Rhiannon West.
I'm Yosef Hanak.
And this is another episode of
Badger Bites! So today obviously we're going to be making cake because we have a cake mix here.
Actually, we are going to be using that cake mix to make some cookies.
Cookies? How's that even possible?
Let's try it out. In this bag, you will find a cake mix, some sprinkles, and chocolate chips. You will also need some vegetable oil and eggs. The frosting is optional.
As for the utensils, we need a cooking sheet, parchment paper, a mixing utensil, a spoon, a very big mixing bowl, a small measuring cup, as well as a big one.
For our cake mix cookies, we're first going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Now, let's get to mixing. First, you're going to add the full cake mix into just a large mixing bowl. Next, you're going to add half a cup of oil. Now, I'm going to add 2 large eggs. Let's start mixing. Now, I decided to leave out the chocolate chips because I want to use some frosting, and the sprinkles are provided in your bags. Now, when you have the right texture, something that kind of looks like this, we're going to add the cookies onto our lined baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. We're just going to add just a little scoop, kind of 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to make sure that they're spaced out. Now that the oven is preheated to 350 degrees, I'm going to put the cookies in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Wow, it looks like our cookies have been cooking for 12 minutes. Make sure you grab your oven mitts and let's take them out of the oven. Oh wow, those smell and look great. Let's let them cool so Yosef can come over and frost them and put some sprinkles on them.
Okay, so now that they have cooled down, we will be adding some frosting on top of it. It's white frosting. It's my favorite, to be honest. I am so excited to taste all of this. So yeah, we're just gonna, you can find it at Walmart. It's not very expensive and it tastes really good. It's a lot of sugar, but it's good. Who cares? That's my guilty pleasure. So I'll just put it on top of the cookies with a, oops, my bad. So now that we put sprinkles and frosting on top of it, they're ready to be eaten. I am very excited to taste those. I almost wonder if there's too much frosting, but there's never too much frosting. So. God. They're just really good because they're like soft, but I don't know, they're just so good. They're just, I like the texture. They're soft but hard at the same time. They kind of melt in your mouth once you take a bite. Rhiannon, you should try this. I will take this with me, walk away, and you can come in.
Oh, these look so good, and I'm loving the Badger Blue sprinkles on them. Let's give them a taste. That is really good. I am actually really impressed. Wasn't expecting them to turn out as well as they did, but wow. That is the best cookie I've ever had with a cake mix. Make sure you give it a try. Oh man, I cannot get enough of these cookies. I'd rule this recipe as a success.
That's it, guys, for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you next time. It was brought to you by Student Life and Leadership.
Start again and look at the camera.
Yep, like that. Sorry.
Go whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Make sure you've got your baking sheet, your oven mitts.
We'll do that one again.
Good. But that's it for today. Oh God, I'm sorry.
You're good.
It's brought to you by Snow College Student Life Center.
You need to say Student Life Leadership.
Yeah. I can't even
You can even look back and point and read it.
By
Yeah.
Student Life
And Leadership.
Perfect.
No center. Student Life and Leadership.
Yep.
Okay.